over here and do it. So we have no idea how long the food has been in this fridge. My MOS is chemical, so I'm gonna go in and open it up. I want all of you guys. No, I want all of you guys to get to a safe distance.
Dude, don't.
You know how long? You know how bad this shit stinks? What am I supposed to do? You want me to just like hold my breath? I'll do it for 10 seconds. Stick my head right before I hold my breath.
No, dude, don't. This whole house is stink like crap.
Bobby, you're gonna like suicide mission right now.
Oh my god!
Shut the refrigerator.
No, oh my god! Fucking carry it.
And it would get worse if you opened the freezer.
Oh my god. Oh, fuck, I'm about to throw up.
See you, Nolan. We're going outside. No, come on.
I gotta shut the door.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Nolan. Oh, God!
You can't follow.
Oh, my God. I love Nolan. He picks up a spray and just starts spraying. Oh, my fucking God. He got to the door. You're a douchebag.
That is so fucking gross. It's been 5. Fuck, Devin. I can taste that. It's been like, what, 5-10 minutes since we had the fridge open? Nolan's a hard ass. So he's just sitting in here with the fucking smell. I'm gonna grab the pizza rolls that are on the inside and run with them outside. So be sure to keep me like a good, clear path.
Oh, my God. Here goes. Oh, my God. What the fuck?
Chug them back.
I wonder if that's really the source of the smell.
I hope so. One way to find out, I guess.
Go open the fridge door.
What is there in the fridge that smells?
I don't know, it's just open that.
So this is pretty much a cleanup of what? The entire smell, hopefully. Oh my God! God damn!
I'm leaving the house.
There!
I don't even write. You can see the color of that stuff?
No. What color was it?
It looked like fucking coffee.
And it was Coke.
Alright, Robert, shut the door.
You gotta go to it one time. You gotta go to it one time. What are you doing, sir? Be quicker, less painful for you.
Oh god, it smells! That's so gross.
Burning! Oh yeah? You think that's bad? Smell that trash can.
I'm fine. Robert, just a little bit more. We gotta clean out the fridge.
I want you hard ass.
God! This shit smells so fucking bad.
Robert's like Ike. Whoosh! Giant fireball. Then he picks it back up. Like,
Oh, that's not the. What the hell is that? Just keep a cleaver. Just for good measure. Last item. Oh, negative. We got some corn.
That could be the source.
Oh my god, I took a deep breath.
Robert, our hero.
Shit is so gross.
Do y'all shut the door?
No. Keeps me from having to fucking open it again.
Hey, wait, I think there's still more in the freezer.
Oh my god, I almost threw up. Wow, I'm about to break your door. This shit is so nasty. I gotta fucking wash my hands now.
Okay, just so for the people at home to know, we don't eat from that fridge. We have a whole other refrigerator.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
Oh my god. The fucking bag's slugged almost like no out your house. Oh my god. That was seriously probably that.
I think that was it.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
It was the fucking pizza.
Dear God.
That's making my fucking eyes.
My eyes are watering.
Oh my god.
Now I can't get out.
Oh shit.
Holy fuck. We found out what it was. It was the pizza, gentlemen. Was that the only thing that was left in there?
I think so.
Yeah, that was the last. Go shut the door, please. Oh great, spitting back blood up.
Made you spit blood.
Oh my god. You know how bad I want to like kick and break your door? I always just want to kick the shit out of it.
Our door, American Strong.
I'm strong.
Not just American Strong.
Oh my god. Well, gentlemen, we've successfully cleaned out the fridge.
I don't even want to go inside.
Good job.
Now, as soon as we throw up, we can clean up that.
Huh?
As soon as we throw up, we can clean up that.
Exactly. Alright, well. Good job.